Today, I'll show you mind-blowing business ideas with AI that will hopefully make you money. Stay around to the end and let's dive in. The first way to make money online using artificial intelligence is by making a YouTube channel. There are lots of AI tools that will help you make your videos. From writing scripts, to voiceover, to voice editing, to thumbnail making. We keep covering these tools on our channel with great detail. Obviously, in order to start making money on YouTube, you need to pass the partnership program requirements that consist of hitting 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 hours of watch time or 10 million public shorts views in the last 90 days. Or you can make money through affiliates by adding a link to your video recommending what you talk about in the video. In order to do that, you need to be consistent with the uploads, and you have to have good quality videos. AI tools can help you achieve that. For example, scripting-wise, you can use tools like WriteSonic or ChatGPT to write engaging YouTube scripts about any genre. Just type your idea into the platform of your choice, tell the AI how many minutes the script should go for, and then it will generate an entire script for you. For voiceover, you can use an app named Murph, which is a great tool that will generate human-like AI voiceovers for you.
This is my YouTube channel.
This tool also has AI editing features, which we talked about in a previous video. You can even make great thumbnails using another tool called Ebook. So bottom line is YouTube can be one of the best ideas for you to make money, especially when today we have a lot of tools that will help us with the making of videos in 30 minutes. We recently made a video about how you can use AI as a freelancer. Basically, if you want to become a freelancer with no skill, you can use some AI tools to help you fulfill your orders. Whether you're offering gigs that are in the writing niche, SEO optimization niche, or video and thumbnail making genre, tools like WriteSonic will make your life easier. Let's say you received an order from someone who wants you to write a blog. You can type what his article is about on WriteSonic. Fill out the necessary boxes with how long the text should go for, the style, and the tone of the text, and then generate article. Once that's done, copy the text generated and paste it onto a Word file. Then deliver the work to your client. Another way of making money this way is by offering SEO services. WriteSonic can also generate SEO keywords using AI. Maybe you're a thumbnail maker, for example. As we said earlier, Ebook can make great catchy thumbnails for YouTube, alongside some really cool portraits if you decide to sell digital art services. There are many tools out there that can really make your life easier. If you want us to make a video on the best AI tool for freelancing to make money, leave a comment down below. But maybe freelancing isn't your thing. Maybe you want the AI to make you just one thing that can be sold multiple times. Selling ebooks could be the right business for you then. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you create an entire ebook from scratch. By giving it prompts and questions related to your chosen niche, such as, for example, weight loss, ChatGPT can generate content for you to use in your ebook. You of course can use WriteSonic as well that we talked about before. It's up to you really. ChatGPT can also help you refine your niche and provide insights into trending topics and popular programs. Once you've generated the content, you can use Canva to design your ebook. Canva offers user-friendly templates and tools to customize your ebook design, including the ability to add images, shapes, and charts to make your ebook more visually appealing. It also provides a library of free and paid stock images and templates to enhance your design. With ChatGPT and Canva, you can create a professional-looking ebook without any prior design experience, and you can sell that ebook to make money. Next up, we have the idea of dropshipping. Essentially, dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where you as a seller do not keep the products you sell in stock. Instead, when a customer places an order, you purchase the product from a third-party supplier who ships it directly to the customer. For example, if you're an eBay seller, or maybe if you have a Shopify store, you can use dropship.io to find the best winning products to resell. You can also use AutoDS. AutoDS is one of the most popular and most comprehensive dropshipping softwares in the market. It comes with advanced sales monitoring and order management tools. You can save much effort for your ordering process, as the tool will automatically take the orders right after your customers make an order to avoid losses and order cancellations. And as soon as the supplier releases the tracking number, AutoDS will immediately update it. If you want to take the route of making money with the stock market, then there are many new AI tools which are out now that could help you. For example, there's Trade Ideas, which is an AI-powered robo-advisor and stock scanner for stock trading opportunity detection and backtesting. Trade Ideas employs a variety of algorithms to help users find potentially profitable trading scenarios overnight, thus preparing them to apply strategies with a higher probability for profit. And then there's TrendSpider, which could be another solution for you. It's widely popular among technical analysts and traders. What it does is simplify the trading process and automate the analysis part by providing exceptional charting technology, scanning, backtesting, and automation. Keep in mind, you need to be experienced with trading before you start, as some of these bots won't make every decision correctly on their own. These tools are just made to help you as a trader confirm your trading decisions. Making short-form sponsored content like TikToks and YouTube Shorts can be a very good idea as well to make money. With the rise of this type of content, and with billions of people consuming it every day, AI can be very helpful in terms of creating this content for you. With tools we already discussed, such as WriteSonic and Descript, you'll be able to produce highly engaging videos for any platform. While the ad rates on social media platforms may be low, you can still earn money through sponsorships and partnerships with brands, or simply with having affiliate links on your bio or pinned comment. You can focus on the influencing aspect of things rather than spending a lot of time creating these videos. Keep in mind, TikTok and YouTube Shorts algorithm are far better than long-form YouTube videos algorithm. And with our generation's new short attention span, your videos will most likely target a lot more people. The more views you have, the more clicks you'll get with affiliate links. So what do you think of making AI influencers without showing your face or using your voice, like the AI influencer Mikola? Let us know if you want to see that video. Next up, we have another brilliant business idea, which is selling logos for companies and businesses. There are many platforms that allow you to sell your digital logo designs, such as BrandCrowd and New Glue, or you can sell them simply on the famous website Etsy as well. To make the logos, I suggest you use logoai.com, as it will generate good-looking logos for you. For example, if you have an idea in mind for a company or a business name, you can use this tool to generate professional designs that you can sell. This platform can be used to allow you to input information about your customer's business, industry, color preferences, and other factors that can influence the design of their logo. The AI algorithms can then analyze this information and generate multiple logo design options that fit the customer's preferences. The final business idea I have for you today is blogging. There are several ways to make money with a website. One of the most common ways is through AdSense. By playing ads on your website, you can earn money based on the number of impressions or clicks generated by the ads. Google AdSense can help you earn money by placing ads on your website. Another way to make money with this tool is through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services on your website and earning a commission on any sales generated through your unique affiliate link. Maybe your website is about working out. You can have affiliate links that lead to workout courses and products. Maybe you intend to sell your own products on this website. There are many AI website builders out there, so you don't really need any fancy coding skills. Durable, for example, which we talked about previously on other videos, can build an entire website in 30 seconds using artificial intelligence. These are some of the ideas we have for you today. While we can't guarantee typical results, we encourage you to treat this like a true business venture. With hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and grow, you'll hopefully have success. Additionally, you can join the waitlist for my free course if you want to learn how to make more money using AI. And as always, what AI content would you like to see next? Leave us a comment below and let us know. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all our latest AI videos. See you next time.